Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Having a walk and talk? So when you wake up in the morning and you need your caffeine fix, what do you go to? Now, I know Starbucks are huge and people love their coffee. My wife has that Keurig and she makes coffee every morning. You want to know something? I can't stand the smell of it. I go for tea. Today it's coffee versus tea. And just because I don't like coffee, man, I drink coffee for years. I drank it black. This was before all that cheese stuff. That's not even really coffee. It's coffee milk and sugar and foam and mocha, chino, capachuchu. But tea is tea, although they have chai tea. They have these all kicked up teas. I'm talking about basic coffee versus tea. What's your poison? Here's the good news. They're both surprisingly healthier for you than you think. Coffee, in fact, is considered one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. No duh. But then there's tea, especially green tea. And here's the deal. If you're going to drink tea every day, check out that video down below. You got to do organic. You got to do green tea. And I do drink green tea every day. I'm not lying. Check out that song. Green tea has got flavonoids, polyphenols, all the antioxidants that'll help you live a long, happy life. They're good for your heart, good for your immune system. Cancer fighters. Well, guess what? Coffee has the same stuff. So they're both very healthy. So what's it come down to? To me, it comes down to taste and which one makes you feel the best. For me, green tea it's lighter on the stomach because I put a little ginger in mine. It makes me feel good. It doesn't have as much caffeine in it, so it doesn't jack me up. Whereas coffee, there's an aftertaste for coffee that I always feel on my tongue and my mouth. It's got a little more caffeine, so you can get jacked up more, but if that's your goal, that's fine. But I think coffee leaves bad breath. I think tea is more gentle and supple, but they're both great. So, coffee versus tea. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite beverage is between those two. And check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.